or what is the context of this particular topic. When you prepare your current affairs, 4 questions are important. You have to make notes of the news article based on 4 questions. What are those 4 questions of strategy? One is, why this particular topic in news or the context of this particular topic. For example, have you heard about GST? Goods and Service Tax? There is something called as Goods and Service Tax. GST compensation cess. Cess means tax on tax. So now, when you take this topic, how will you read it? The entire article, no need to read initially. Just from the introduction, why are you studying it? Why this particular topic in news? Because the central government and state government had a jagna or a conflict with regard to the revenue from indirect tax called as GST. GST compensation cess was introduced. That's it. Not more than 20 to 30 words or 2 sentences. You will write that particular answer. Is it clear? So now, initially what will you do? Why this particular topic in news? After that, before going to the issues or challenges of that particular topic, you should study what is the background of that particular topic or the static portion of that particular topic. Which means that, as I told you before, when you study a current affairs or a concept, the method of interlinkaging becomes very vital or very, very important. Having said that, this particular GST compensation cess, what is it? This is static portion, right? So now, to quickly brush up your static or theoretical portion, after reading from the newspaper, okay, why this particular topic in news for 2 sentences you wrote? Immediately go to your notebooks or websites and what is GST? 4 to 5 important solid UPSC killer key points with regard to GST. It is an indirect tax. It is a destination-based tax, consumption-based tax. There are 3 different categories: SGST, CGST, IGST, etc., etc. And certain points like that. Why? To quickly brush up your prelims and mains perspective, especially prelims examination perspective. Is it clear? There are certain topics where static portion is not available. For example, you're studying about Russia-Ukraine war. Why this particular topic in news? Because Russia wanted to invade Ukraine. This is the IR topic, right? International relations topic. Now, having said that, is there a static portion for it? No. Certain topics will only have background. Doesn't mean you will study the history and geography of Russia and Ukraine. What was the relationship between Russia and Ukraine before? What is their economic, social, and cultural ties? Just 4 points or 4 points. That's it. Just for you to know. They directly go to the issues or challenges or problems of that particular topic. Now back to GST topic. After understanding why GST compensation itself in 2 sentences, background understanding of the topic, 4 points we study. Then what do you know? What are the issues or challenges or problems associated with this particular topic? What happened was like in 2016, when GST was put out, no state government was ready to accept it. Central government told state government, listen, if you agree to accept GST for the next 5 years, from 2016 to 2022, if any year, if a state government did not receive revenue from this indirect tax called as GST sufficiently, and if their yearly revenue is less than 14% per annum, then the central government will compensate the state government. What happened? Fortunately, unfortunately, COVID-19 pandemic happened. Not only a country, India, the entire world was suffering, right? So now, did the state governments get revenue? No. Now the vendors and the central government, listen, you told us that you will compensate. Do that. We don't have revenue. Central government says, sorry, हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. क्या? What will you do? What will you do? हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. I want to do. God, big conflict happened. So now that is why this GST compensation cess was brought in. So now, having said that, the issues or challenges or problems or disadvantages of this topic, because of lack of revenue from the state government, the expenditure activity, various economic and social indicators will be less. It will affect the growth of the entire state. automatically the entire country will be affected. If one state is not performing, automatically another state is also not performing. Altogether, the country is getting affected. So these are the issues of problems. In 3 or 4 points. Whenever there is an issue or a problem, there should be solution. So the next 4th point of current affairs is way forward or suggestions or solutions including government measures. That is how you will prepare your current affairs. Starting with what? Why this particular topic is used or the context of this topic. After that, you will not go to the topic. You will revise the static portion or the background of the topic in discussion. Maximum 4 to 5 points for revision. This is because your current affairs and static portion, they will go hand in hand. So you will know what to study and how to study with the method of interrogation. And then you will go to what? The issues or challenges or importance or need or disadvantage that particular topic. After that, solutions, way forward, including government measures. 4 different headings, 4 different points under each of these headings. Automatically what happens? Your current affairs preparation becomes simplified. This is also useful for what to make under heading. So 2 in 1. At one stroke, you got both the things. You understand? So this is the most simplified way of preparing current affairs. You attend the lecture of any institute, you attend Shai's academic DNA classes, no doubt about it. After that, what will you do? You get a PDF. Now, take the PDF or take the class material or take the newspaper and in your own notebook, with your own handwriting, write it. Write down the way I think it. Using these 4 exclusive method or approach of simplifying current affairs. Trust me, my students, this approach will make you learn current affairs with much of ease, with much of confidence, rather than making it burdensome. Is it clear? Did you note it down? This is how you prepare. Don't you think it's interesting? It's very simplified, right? This is the real preparation strategy for current affairs. Is it clear?